Welcome to our channel Matrix. Today we are going to learn the technique of multiplication. This technique will help you to get the answer of two-digit numbers within seconds. The very first technique is about the numbers which are near to 100 and below than 100. The first example is 97 into 96. Now we'll check this number is less than 100 by minus 3 and this number is less than 100 by minus 4. Now we do the multiplication of these two numbers. 3 into 4 is 12. Now for getting these digits, what we do? 96 minus 3, that is 93. At the same time, you can also use 97 minus 4, that is also 93. So what you can do? You can do either this 96 minus 3, that is minus number from this number, or minus this number from this number. So the answer is 9312. As I have explained this technique to you, it has taken time. But if you solve this problem on your own, this will not take much time. The example for this is 97 into 92. Minus 3 minus 8. 8 into 3 is 24. 92 minus 3 is 89. You can check the answer. You will get the answer in 2 seconds only. Now the other example for this is 89 into 96. This is 11 less and this is 4 less. 11 into 4 is 44. 96 minus 11 is 85. 89 minus 4 is also 85. You can check it from here. You need one more example. What I can do is 87 into 98. This is minus 13. This is minus 2. 30 into 2 is 26. 98 minus 13 is again 85. Now I am giving you one problem to solve you on your own. The problem is 93 into 94. Tell me the answer. Hope you will get the same answer. Now this is the time to get the technique number 2. Now the second technique is also about multiplication. It will give you the result for the numbers which are greater than 100 but near the 100. Example 102 into 103. Here 102 is plus 2 from 100 and 103 is plus 3 from 100. What we can do? 2 into 3 6. We will write 06. 103 plus 2. Here we do plus because the sign is positive. 103 plus 2 is 105. 102 plus 3 is also 105. So you can use this technique for this type of multiplication. The other example is 104 into 106. This is 4 greater than 100. This is 6 greater than 100. The sign is plus. 6 into 4 is 24. 106 plus 4 is 110. The answer is 11024. The other example is 102 into 109. This is plus 2. This is plus 9. 9 into 2 is 18. 102 plus 9 is 111. Okay. Now I am giving a problem to solve 106 into 104. Hope you have got the same answer. Now the time for the third technique. If one number is less than 100 and the other number is more than 100, how can we solve the problem? The technique is very same again. The number is 97 into 101. This is 3 less than 100. This is plus 1 than 100. But here this one sign is negative and the other sign is positive. So we will write 3. Technique is one number is less than 100 and the other number is more than 100. This is 3 less than 100 and this is plus 1 than 100. Now we will write 3 into 1 is minus 3. So we will write minus 0, 3 here. Now 101 minus 3 is 98. Now the point is we will write double 0 here. Because one number is negative and the other is positive. We will do 9797. Right? I'll show you with one more example. 96 into 103. this is 4 less than 100 and this is 3 more than 100. Minus 4 into 3 is minus 12 again. 103 minus 4 is 99. 00 we'll write and the answer is 9888. The other example is 95 into 104. This is minus 5, this is plus 4. Minus 5 into 4 is minus 20. 104 minus 5 is 99. We'll write 00 here. The answer is 9880. The other example is 96 into 108. This is minus 4, this is plus 8. 8 into 4, 32 minus 108 minus 4, 104, 00 we'll write. The answer is 0068 3101368. I'm giving you a question to solve on your own is 102 into 96. The answer is 9790. Hope you have got the same answer. I hope you have liked this video and all the tricks I have showed to you. I would also like you all to share this video with your friends who are unable to get the coaching. These techniques will help them out. Please like my video and share with the others.